Now let's learn about the operators in JavaScript. So what are operators? So I'm not going to create a new file here in this, so I will use the index file here. I will use, and I'll comment it out, a control A and not here, control A and control slash. Okay, fine. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use operators in JavaScript. So what are operators and how to use operators? Simply let me write something here. So I will teach you the basic types of operators. So let me comment it here. Operators in JS. Okay, now the first one is arithmetic operator. What is arithmetic operator? In arithmetic operator we use operators. Okay, now in arithmetic operator there is plus, minus, multiply and divide. These are arithmetic operators. So how to use it? Simply I will use a variable. Okay, everything is commented out. Okay, now variable a is equal to 10 and variable b is equal to 20. Now we have to find that is it working. Our arithmetic operator is working, so we will use console.log. even you can use in document.write, but right now I'm going to use in console.log. so console.log, the sum is and a comma here. I will use a plus b. Okay, now a semicolon. I'm going to copy and pasting it, so it will save our some time. Control V and Control V here. Okay, now not sum, here will be subtract, and here we will use multiply, and here is divide, div, and here we will use our symbols of minus, divide, multiply and divide. Okay, let's check its output, and here I have to open my index. Okay, now let's check it in the console section, and here you can see the sum of a plus b is 30, and the subtract is minus 10, and multiply is 200, and divide is 0.5. okay, this is the arithmetic operator. So there is another one, and not another one, there is many, so I'm just going to teach you two. So these are the basics, so you will learn the basics of operators in JavaScript. So this one is the first, and arithmetic operator, and the assignment operator. Assignment operator is nothing. Assignment operator, okay, in assignment operator we assign the values. This is the work of assignment operator. So here I'm going to do one thing, is that variable, I will create a new variable, and I will give it to name a variable c. Variable c is equal to, I will equal it to variable a. Okay, simply you have to write a, and now let's check it out. First of all, you have to console.log, and you have to print in console.log, and let's check it output, log c and a semicolon here. Okay, now let's check it output, and here is my index. Okay, simply click on index and click on right button of mouse and inspect. So here you can click on console, and it show us is 10, because we assign here c is equal to 1, and we did console.log and c. So this is the basic concept of operators in JavaScript.